How to Archive Orders on Amazon 2026 Full Guide. Want to hide old Amazon orders from your main order history without deleting them? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to archive orders on Amazon step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that Amazon's archive order feature is mainly available on the desktop website, not fully inside the mobile app. So for the easiest method, use your browser on a computer or switch your phone browser to desktop mode. Step 1. Open Amazon website. Go to Amazon and sign in to your account. Make sure you log into the same account where the order was placed. Step 2. Go to your orders. At the top right, click on Returns and Orders. This will open your full purchase history. Here you'll see all your past orders. Step 3. Find the order you want to archive. Scroll through your orders and locate the one you want to hide. This could be a gift purchase, private item, or simply an old order you don't want visible in the main list. Step 4. Click Archive Order. Under that order, look for the Archive Order option. Click it. Amazon will show a confirmation pop-up explaining that archived orders are hidden from the default order history. Step 5. Confirm Archive. Click Archive Order again to confirm. Your order will now be moved from your main order list to the Archived Orders section. Step 6. View archived orders later. If you want to see archived orders again, go to Accounts and Lists, Your Account, Archived Orders. There you can view all hidden archived purchases. You can also unarchive them if needed. Important note, Amazon allows a limited number of archived orders per account, usually up to 500 archived orders. Also, archiving does not delete the order. It only hides it from the main order page. Bonus tip. If you're using mobile, open Amazon in Chrome or Safari and turn on desktop site mode. This makes the archive order option much easier to find. And that's it. Now you know how to archive Amazon orders in 2026 quickly and easily. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Are you archiving for privacy or just better organization?